Hey guys, hope you're doing really well. So I got asked a question the other day, and a guy wants to start a line striping business nearby to me in Coventry. And he's about 30 minutes away. And he said, hey, I wanted to get started, watch one of your videos, and I'm wondering, could I get started with a spray can machine? Now, not a spray machine like you imagine, like a Graco, Titan, that sort of thing, but an actual spray can machine. Now, you could start with one of those, and don't get me wrong, you can pick one up for around 200, maybe 150. They're pretty cheap to get going. But I would err on the side of caution. At least here in the UK, we have an abundant supply of what we call MMA and hand molds. These hand molds here set you back probably 40 to 50 pounds each. Absolute max is what you pay, is 50 quid. Now, if you were to get started here in the UK, I wouldn't go out and buy a spray can machine. I would start out with something like this. 50 quid, get you a couple of different sizes. If you bought a 4-inch, 2-inch, maybe a 6-inch, and honestly some MMA paint, that is literally all you would need. Maybe a straight edge as well, because you want to pull the straight lines in for the car park. So for that, you can literally buy pieces of wood like you can see here, or alternatively, you can get some aluminium straight lengths for about 50, 60 pounds each. Now that's a great way to start a business. The other way you can do it, of course, he was looking at bigger spray machines. You could go for something like one of these. Now these machines here, these will set you back from about 8,000 plus, and they really just kind of go up from there, to be honest. So I think if you're starting out, for me, my advice at least to other people would be start as cheap as you possibly can with it. You don't need to overspend, keep your costs down. If you can start with hand molds, do some MMA and some hand molding. If you want to get a machine, absolutely go for something like a Graco. They're absolutely solid machines, really, really good. But I thought the easiest thing for me to do, instead of me just telling you how to do it, what I am going to do over the coming weeks is I'm going to start a brand new line striping business from the ground up that has nothing to do with my existing company, nothing to do with the existing customer base. I'm not even going to use the same machinery and equipment that we currently have. And I figured, why don't we do a brand new line striping startup here in the UK, and I'll show you exactly how we do it, start to finish, everything we do behind the scenes, how I'm gonna build it, how I'm gonna find customers. We're gonna do the whole thing for 10 grand, and I'm gonna make it profitable within 90 days. At least that's the challenge. Basically, start a line striping business within 90 days, get it to profitability with $10,000 to spend. I think we can do it quite easily. Now I'm gonna show you exactly how I do it. So if you bear with me another week or so, I will get a video out doing the intro and the setting up, and then I will go through the entire business over the next 90 days and show you everything behind the scenes from there. Look forward to sharing it with you guys. I'll see you there. Cheers.